That's what I thought, bitch! Run!
All right, very simple tactical protection review here, guys. Don't get into unnecessary violent encounters on the side of the road. Road rage represents a time when when a person is at an emotional peak and is willing to do things they wouldn't normally do that are generally violent. So never assume that your enemy is not willing to go to lengths that you think are ridiculous. Never assume that you understand how far your enemy is willing to go. Always think tactically, right? Always think tactically. Tactically speaking, does my enemy have tactical positioning or tactically advantageous position on me? He is in a massive truck. I have some instrument, blunt force object in my hand that I decided was dangerous. He is in a massive truck. He has hundreds, if not 1,000 pounds of metal engine advantage. What a level of delusion when it comes to a violent altercation, right? So don't think that he's a man and he's gonna get out and fight you like a man. Don't think that. Simply, it is math. This is math. Violence is math.
If Vin Diesel can do it, so can I.
Why are you as good as Vin Diesel?
Hang on!
Who can cause the most catastrophic damage to who the fastest? It's a race to see who can cause the most catastrophic damage to the other person. That's what violence is. When you're going into a violent altercation, just do the math. If this guy's is still in his vehicle is a tremendous and fantastic weapon as long as it's moving. It is not time to get out of my vehicle, right? So just do the math when it comes to violence. Do not be emotional. All the best fighters will tell you, don't fight emotional. Don't do anything emotional. Emotions are for women and children, not for violence. So listen, if you're getting into a violent altercation, first, what's your mission? Is it to try to prove something to some idiot on the side of the road that can cost both of you your lives, your livelihood, and your wife while you sit in prison? Or, and your kids and all this? Or is it just to get home? Secondarily, if you're gonna be in a violent altercation, do not give in to some honor code, arbitrary honor code that's in your head that the other person needs to intuit and know and just do. That is absolute garbage. You don't know where someone's at psychologically. You don't know if he just got dumped by his girl and thinks his life's gonna end and he's willing to go the freaking distance as a result. You don't know if he hates his life and would rather go back to jail. You don't know. You do not know. So you deal with him. It's all math. Tactical positioning, think tactical thoughts. Does this dude have an advantage on me? What's the reality of the situation? And you advance and you move that way through the violence as fast as you can. Don't fight anyone, end fights, and go home. That's the game. All right, you guys. Boom! It's finally here. Go to protectornation.com to join the Protector Nation community. Learn online and become part of our Protector Nation family. I look forward to seeing you guys there and for us all to join forces to make the world a safer place by helping good people to become more dangerous. I'll see you there, and until then, be peaceful but not harmless.